Hi everyone, Julian here with a tutorial on project number 2, montage operations for DSGN211. In this tutorial, I'll be going over how to create your tabloid sheets for your photo joiners in InDesign and how to export them as a PDF. So first thing I want to do is go to File and then New and then Document. And then I'm going to set the units to inches. So for this assignment, we want it 17 by 11 or 11 by 17. So I'll go with a landscape orientation. And then I'm going to have 2 pages that I'll be creating. And then for my margins, as per the assignment, I have a 1/2 inch for the bottom, 1/2 inch for the right. And then I'm just going to leave the 1/2 inch for the top and the left side just to help me center my image. So once I've got this set up, I'll hit the blue button, Create. So once we're in here, we just want to go down to our rectangle frame tool or the F key. And then I'm going to go from point to point here to create my frame for my content or my image. So from there, I can go to my File Explorer, drag my image onto the canvas here just so you can see. Drag my image onto the canvas or workspace. So I have my result and my experimental photo joiners in here now. And then I can go here to the fitting, play around with fill frame proportionally or the other options, or I can double click it. I can hold the Alt and Shift key and scale it down myself or scale it up to my liking. So once I'm happy with that, I'm going to go here and I'm going to add the site location and my group names. So I'll just call this University Campus Site Name. And then I'm going to do a bar line here and then have group name 1, group name 2. You can choose how you want to format this, but essentially we want to have this 1/2 inch from the bottom, 1/2 inch from the right side. I'm going to go to my paragraph here and justify this to the right align. So you'll find this here in the window and then type in tables and paragraph. And you can see it's a bit high right here, so I'm going to bring it down until that's right where I want it. So then 1/2 inch from the corner, the bottom right corner. And then the assignment specifies that we have this in Helvetica or Arial font. So I'm going to search Arial regular and then set this to 11-point font. So now that I have this, I'm going to make sure that it's properly aligned in the corner. And I can see that I can't, because of this little plus sign, I can't actually see all my text. So I'm going to bring this to the side. Now I can see my group name too. And we're good. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to copy this, Control C. Or you could do Edit, Copy. And then I'm going to go over to my second sheet here. And I'm going to do Edit, Paste in Place. So then we've got our site name and group names on both documents. And then what we're going to do here is go to File, Export. So we're going to go Export, Adobe, PDF, Print. And then I'll call this Design 211 F25, then my name. The assignment name. So I'll export that, make sure it's high quality. And then what if I have a portrait orientation tabloid sheet? So we'll go to new document and we'll show you how to do that. So again, change it to inches, go to the portrait orientation, same margins, create. So here I'm presented with my 2 tabloid sheets. So what I can do here, once again, go to the rectangle frame tool, go from corner to corner, and same for the other sheet. I can drag in my 2 photo joiners, maybe my group members photo joiners. Then maybe here this would be useful to use my fitting. And again, there's no restrictions on the image. It's just for the text. So if you want to have your image go all the way to the edge like this, feel free to do so. Although keep in mind that the printer without a bleed won't allow you to print all the way to the edge. And a bleed is 0.125 inches. So once I've got this, we're going to take this and copy, Control C, edit, paste in place, take my name here, and location, and then same thing here. I'll go edit, paste in place. Now it's in the right spot. So now I have my tabloid photo joiners all laid out. So I'm going to once again export, set it to PDF, and then I'll do, these are my portrait size. So once I've exported those 2, what I want to do is go to where I saved them and then open both files. Then we'll open both PDF files by right-clicking them and opening with Adobe Acrobat. So now I can see my 2 photo joiners here and my 2 photo joiners here. So in order to add them together, what we want to do is go to Combine Files. So I'm going to add my open files, which is these 2. And it's going to ask me which order I want them in. So maybe I want them in this order, right? My tabloid, landscape, then portrait. I'll select Combine. And there you go. Now we've got a single PDF with all 4 photo joiners on all 4 pages. Thanks for tuning in. Best of luck with the assignment, and let me know if you have any questions.